Bursa is the historical city of Turkey, and Bursa has lots of history. So I will just show you. I'm at the Tophane. This is one of the very famous places. Like Bursa is so big, of course, but I'll just show you this place first of all. So as you can see, I'm at the Tophane, and as I told you, the Tophane is one of the highest places in Bursa. Like you can see the beautiful view from here. We can see, but of course, Bursa is a very big city. So welcome back to my new video. Actually, I am at the Tophane right now. Tophane is one of the famous places in Bursa. You know, Bursa is a historical place. It attracts lots of tourists from all around the world. And we will go to one that is in right now. So be with my vlog, okay? And now we're going to a cave that is inside this place. This is a very old place. You can see the building, literally overthink. We are moving down. Be with us. You're literally dangerous, you know?
Okay.
Down again. I'm going to the cave that is very famous over here. And you know, Bursa is of course a very beautiful city. So now I'm going to show you the beautiful cave you can see over here. Yeah, you can see a cave. This is a very old cave. And you can go to that place. But I have heard that that place is dangerous to go. So I will not going to recommend anyone to go inside that cave. It's so beautiful, you can see, and really old. I want to show you the inside of that dangerous place. But they said us to not go inside it. Like this inside is like really dangerous. So now this is time to have some fun. We are going to have some food, and for food we just came near to this plaza. It is really nice and you can have lots of things here to eat. So we are in the Zephyr Plaza. It's one of the beautiful shopping malls. Like Bursa has lots of shopping malls. So near the Tophane we have this Zephyr Plaza, and we are here for food now. You'll see lots of such vehicles. They say vehicle or statues. They are very popular in Turkey. You will see them a lot and so often. So I just wanted to show you this. So I'm going to end my vlog for today. You have seen the beautiful Tophane, and when you will come to Turkey, don't forget to visit this Tophane and take fun of and enjoy of all these beautiful scenes you can see from here. So for more videos, stay updated with my channel. I will definitely share lots of interesting and historical videos of Turkey. Be with me.